Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be discussing how to get extra dice in 2 minutes for the mobile game Monopoly Go. And this is for both iOS and Android. Let's dive right in. So first things first, you're going to want to go to this website called robotcoupons.com. Now, once you're here in the search bar, simply type in Monopoly Go. And right here, you can see the very first option is Monopoly Go free dice redeem codes. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, once you've done that, simply scroll down and here you can see you have different offers. You have one that is nearly 1 million free dice rolls. Again, nearly 1 million free cash, Monopoly Go reward, code for 100,000 free dice rolls. You have all these different offers to go through. Now, if you want to attain them, simply click on the button on the right side of the offer. For example, I'll choose this one and I'll go ahead and all you need to do is go ahead and do the tasks that this website requires you to do. And once you've done them, you will have the offer that you were attempting to attain. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.